At last, Socrates says, I went to the artisans. I knew nothing, he admits honestly. But I believed they knew many fine things. And he was right. They did know things he did not. They had real skill, real knowledge. In their craft, they were wiser than him. But then he noticed something. Even the skilled craftsmen made the same mistake as the poets. Because they were good at their work, they believed they understood everything. They confused skill with wisdom. And that one mistake overshadowed all their knowledge. So Socrates asked himself, should I become like them, knowing some things, but believing I know everything? Or should I remain as I am, knowing nothing and not pretending? His answer was clear. I am better off as I am, because they do not know and yet believe they know. But Socrates does not know and does not pretend to know. And in that small difference lies wisdom. But this search for truth came with a cost. Socrates began to make enemies, not ordinary enemies, but powerful and dangerous ones, because no one likes to be proven wrong. People heard him question others and assumed he must be wise himself. But Socrates says, the truth is, I am not wise. Only God is wise. And the oracle's message was simple. Human wisdom is little or nothing. Socrates was only an example, a reminder that the wisest person is the one who knows that he knows nothing. So he continued his mission, questioning anyone who claimed to be wise. If they were not, he revealed the truth. And this became his life. He had no time for wealth, no time for comfort. He lived in poverty, all in service of truth. But something unexpected happened. Young men began to follow him. They watched him question others, and they enjoyed it. Soon, they started doing the same. They began exposing people who only pretended to be wise. And this created even more anger. Those who were questioned did not blame themselves. They blamed Socrates. This man is dangerous, they said. He misleads the youth. But when asked what he actually did wrong, they had no answer. Instead, they repeated old accusations. He speaks of strange things. He rejects the gods. He twists the truth. Not facts, just rumors. And these rumors spread, loud, constant, and convincing, until the city was filled with them. And from this storm of accusations, 3 men rose against him: Meletus, Anytus, Lycon. Each one representing those Socrates had challenged. Each one carrying the anger of many. Socrates knows this hatred cannot be erased quickly. But still, he stands firm. I have spoken the truth, he says. I have hidden nothing. I have changed nothing. And yet, they hate him. But to Socrates, that hatred means something. It means he is right. Because truth is often the most uncomfortable thing to hear. The core message of this part is people hate me not because I lie, but because I tell uncomfortable truths.